I feel like I'm applying makeup. If I like paint her eye like here white, then she will be looking a little bit less weird. Also this looks like AI, like it's so funny. The reason it looks like this is because I first painted her like wrist, her like, oh my god, which one is it? Left wrist, and then her right one looked like so much thinner. So then I kind of corrected it, and then yeah, the underpainting with the like bracelets is like disappearing into her skin, but like obviously I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna mix something darker so that I can create more contrast in the red hair lady's face. Yeah, I just had to think about which is the darkest one. Ooh, juicy. This is where I'm at now. I think she's looking cute with like it's like a combination of freckles and, you know, those spots that older people get. Because most of these ladies are supposed to be like older or elderly. I'm still not sure about her face. Maybe I will give it a day and come back to it, because she's been looking like very grumpy. I actually wanted to make her look like old. Like I wanted to give her like wrinkles, but like she's making such a like disgusted face. So yeah, I think I'll be done soon. She needs to, yeah, she needs some work. I cleaned my palette and I only left like the colors that I will still be able to use. And look how cute these are, like so neat in these subsequent shades, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, I'm done for today, so goodbye.